As men journey through life, they often face situations that challenge their resilience, character, and wisdom. While some lessons come naturally with age, others are learned through trial and error, missed opportunities, and tough realizations. Here, we'll explore 10 life lessons that many men learn too late in life, and how embracing these truths earlier can lead to a happier, more fulfilling life. 1. Neglect to health. Many men don't take care of their health but take it for granted, pushing their bodies and minds to the limit in pursuit of career success and other goals. Neglecting physical and mental well-being can have severe consequences, especially later in life. Prioritizing a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management techniques can help maintain optimal health and a higher quality of life in the long run. 2. Good relationships. In the quest for professional achievement or material possessions, men sometimes overlook the importance of deep, meaningful relationships. While having a large network of acquaintances can be beneficial, the quality of relationships truly matters. Investing time and effort into building strong connections with family, friends, and loved ones provides a sense of belonging, support, and fulfillment that lasts a lifetime. Early marriage can help in this regard. 3. Passion. Many men find themselves stuck in unfulfilling careers or lifestyles, settling for what was expected rather than what truly excites them. Fear of failure or pressure to conform can lead to a life of regret and untapped potential. By identifying and pursuing their true passions, men can experience a greater sense of purpose, satisfaction, and success. Fear of failure can paralyze men, preventing them from taking risks or trying new things. However, failure is an inevitable part of growth and success. By viewing failure as a valuable learning experience, men can develop resilience, adaptability, and a growth mindset that serves them well in all aspects of life. Effective communication is a skill that many men struggle with both personally and professionally. Poor communication can lead to misunderstandings, conflicts, and missed opportunities. Developing active listening skills, expressing thoughts and feelings clearly, and practicing empathy can help build stronger relationships and achieve greater success. It's easy to blame others or external circumstances for personal shortcomings or failures. However, genuine growth and success come from taking responsibility for one's actions and decisions. Cultivating a sense of accountability and ownership allows men to learn from their mistakes, make better choices, and create positive change in their lives. Empathy and kindness. In a world that often values competitiveness and individual success, empathy and kindness are sometimes overlooked. However, these qualities are essential for building strong relationships, positively impacting others, and finding purpose and fulfillment. By practicing empathy and kindness daily, men can experience the rewards of compassion and connection. Financial wisdom. Many men lack financial literacy, leading to poor decision-making and long-term financial stress. Understanding budgeting, saving, and investing principles can help achieve financial stability and security, providing a foundation for pursuing goals and dreams. Adaptability. Change is a constant in life, and those who resist it often struggle to keep up with the world around them. Embracing change and cultivating adaptability allows men to navigate life's challenges with greater ease and resilience. This mindset fosters personal growth, new opportunities, and a more dynamic and fulfilling life. Right sense of success and happiness. Society often dictates narrow definitions of success and happiness, centered around material wealth, status, and achievement. True fulfillment comes from creating a personal definition of success that aligns with one's values, passions, and authentic self. By breaking free from external expectations and defining their own path, men can find a deeper sense of purpose and contentment. Supporting story. Jack, a 50-year-old architect, had always followed the expectation of the society around him. Despite his stable job, comfortable home, and loving family, he felt unfulfilled. Realizing he had settled for a life that wasn't true to his passions and values, Jack decided to reflect on what truly mattered to him. He recognized that he had been neglecting his health and had lost touch with hobbies that once brought him joy. Jack began to prioritize his well-being by exercising regularly, eating a balanced diet, and taking time for self-care. He also reconnected with old friends and worked on building deeper, more meaningful relationships. Pursuing his passion for golfing on the side, Jack found a new sense of purpose. Though he encountered challenges and setbacks, Jack embraced them as opportunities for growth. By living authentically and defining success on his own terms, he found a sense of fulfillment that had previously eluded him. Jack's story inspires others to make positive changes and pursue a life that aligns with their true selves. Summaries. Prioritize your physical and mental health as your most valuable asset. Invest in meaningful relationships and cultivate strong connections with loved ones. Pursue your true passions to experience a greater sense of purpose and fulfillment. Embrace failure as a valuable learning opportunity and develop resilience. Develop effective communication skills to build stronger relationships and achieve success. Take responsibility for your actions and cultivate a sense of accountability for personal growth. Practice empathy and kindness to create a positive impact on other people's lives. Manage your finances wisely by understanding budgeting, saving, and investing principles. Embrace change and cultivate adaptability to navigate life's challenges with ease. Define your success and happiness based on your values, passions, and authentic self. Learning these life lessons early can help men and women navigate the challenges and opportunities of life with greater wisdom, resilience, and fulfillment. By prioritizing your health, relationships, passion, growth, communication, responsibility, empathy, financial literacy, adaptability, and personal definitions of success, men and women can create a life rich in purpose, meaning, and joy. It's never too late to start applying these lessons, but the earlier they are embraced, the more profound the impact they can have on one's life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share our video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more educative videos that will help your love life, physical, mental, and psychological health. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.